Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to calculate month to date using DATESMTD function. So far I have discussed like a total MTD by using filter function in different ways. But in today's video, I'm going to talk about by using DATESMTD function. Okay, so please try to watch all my previous videos so that you will see different kind of examples with different scenarios with different functions so that you'll get more understanding in DAX and Power BI. Now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand the today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'm going to explain each and every step what I've done here. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported from Excel. If you look at here, we can see that customer table, geography, product, sales territory, dim date, category, subcategory, internet sales. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding relationship is very important, so we'll try to look into that is also. So just click on model, so collapse these two, scroll down a little bit. Now you can see that already I have enabled the relationship between these dimension tables and fact tables. For example, if I place the mouse here, you can see that based on this customer key, I have enabled the relationship between the fact internet sales and dim customers. Even you can notice that what kind of direction it is. It's like a one direction to many direction. It means that based on a filter propagation, like from dimension to fact table, here from dim customer to fact internet sales will be like that. So like that I have enabled the other tables also. So I'll try to speak more in upcoming sessions about all kind of different options, like how to detect automatic, how to create a manually, how to edit. So we'll see what are the options that are available in detail, but for timing we'll try to understand today's report only. Just click on report. So now we can see that we have three, these are all matrix visual. So we have two levels. So one is year, month, date, right? So three levels here. So in 2001, what is the sales? 4090. In 2002, this is in 2003, 2004. But if you notice here, with respect to 2001, we are getting 1051. In 2002, 1049077. In 2003, it's not giving within this context. In this context, in 2001, the sales for DATESMTD, it's not giving properly. So that is the reason I have created a separate matrix as well. Here we can see that we are getting the correct value. In 2001, what is the sales, total sales? 401, 4090. As well as for this measure also it's giving properly in this context in 2001. In 2002 it's giving fine. In 2003, 4. So it's working fine. So then if you scroll down, if you drill down further, in month level also it's giving fine. July, August, September, October, November, December. When you drill down to further date level, we can see the difference. For example, if you notice here, we can see that the sales for each day wise, and we're getting the running total for date, month to date. But some of the dates we don't have transaction. For example, if you notice here, in 12th July we don't have any sales. In 18th July we don't have any sales. So in that case we do not need to display this kind of dates which do not have any sales and all. So for that I have created a separate measure. I'll try to show here. Just click on drill down to further level, July month, just click on date level. Now we can see that, so there is no 12th day here because we do not have any sales for that day, and also we do not have any day sales 18th day. So I'm just removing and eliminating these kind of dates which do not have any sales and so like that. So I have created DATESMTD, DATESMTD2, DATESMTD3, three measures to reflect correct values as for this requirement. Now we can see in 2001, so July, August, September, November. So if we drill down to further level, we can see that July. So now we can see running total for July, so 596. Now August also you can see that. August. Okay, so this is one page. We'll try to go to the different page. Here we can see that. So this is the different visual. So based on year and month, so these two are slicers. This is the year slicer, this is the month slicer. Based on the selection, we can see that graphically. So what is the month to date sales? So which month is doing well, which month is not doing well. So we'll get some understanding. So based on this visible, so how it is performing, which month is doing well, which month is not doing well. So for example, if I click on September month in 2002, 3 January, sorry, February, November, say November month 36,000, but in July, June, see, so whatever the month we can select in 2003. So it's working very dynamic nature, we can select anything and all. Okay, so this is the second page. We'll go to the third page. So here we have two slices, one is the country slicer, another one is education. So based on the selection we can see that, so how data is displaying here. So in 2001, so this is sales. For example, if we do not select any high school, so but you notice that this is the sales, but when it comes to total MTD, you will see different numbers. See, we'll get 6888. It's not giving properly. Why? Because I have created this measure based on the filter condition. Okay, so United States, for example, when I click on United States and high school, now you can see that. See, for these two combination, United States plus high school, we have only sales for these many dates only. So if we calculate running total for this month, you will get properly 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 12, 2 12, 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 24 40. So like that it will give the properly, because based on some filter conditions I have created measure. So based on these two conditions, one is United States, another one is high school. We can check any month. So it's giving properly one, it's giving the expected output only. Okay, like that I have created the measures. So now I will try to see what kind of expressions, what kind of logic I have written in measures and all. So go to demo measures, just first one click total sales, try to zoom it. So now we can see that I have declared a variable. Within this variable I have used the calculate sum function to get that. So once while returning, I'm just validating if the sales are blank or not. If blank, so return the blank, otherwise return this expression on that. Okay, so dates MTD1. So here I'm just using dates MTD function to get the month to date sales. Here I'm not doing any kind of validation whether the sales are blank or not. But when it comes to in second, I'm just using easy filter function by validating with respect to the year context whether it's giving properly or not. Like that I'm checking. Dates MTD3. Here I'm using filter condition. So what are the dates having sales? Only filter. Now you can see that by using filter function, I'm just taking dates which are having sales. By using a not is and blank, I'm just eliminating the dates which do not have any sales for this period, particular dates. So in dates for this measure, so I'm using another two filter conditions. One is high school, another one is United States in fourth measure. Okay, so like that I have written the expression based on that it's giving. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Stay tuned for other videos. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel.